We're on site in Bundaberg. We're pouring some SteelX LIBERTY Slab for a new Bundaberg brew drink facility, brewing and bottling facility. So this area is going to have some heavy load, large tanks on it, and they are tiling the area, so they want no joints and no cracks in the section. So working with the design engineers, we've incorporated a SteelX LIBERTY Slab solution. A little bit higher dosage than normal. We've got 23 kilograms per cubic metre and an SL81 mesh on the bottom. So as you can see, the SteelX mix pumps easily placed and finished. Concrete here having no trouble at all in screeding off and getting a nice screed on the product.